In this video, I'm going to show you how to provide value to your customers and enter them into your sales funnel by using blogging. Blogging is a powerful way to improve your page rank on search engines as well as drive visitors to your online store. To get started with blogging, go to your WordPress dashboard and then go to Posts. We're going to delete the sample blog post that was created for us, and then we're going to add a new one. I've already pre-written 3 blog posts, and I'm going to cover why they provide value to my target customer, as well as how we can use WordPress SEO to improve our search ranking for that blog post. You'll notice that after we installed WordPress SEO by Yoast, a new section was added. And here you can control advanced settings for your SEO. So before we do that, let's go in and create our new post. So this post will be called How to Validate Your Idea. A lot of entrepreneurs struggle with validating their idea when they get started with their online business, and my blog post is designed to help them overcome some of those challenges, as well as provide them lots of resources for moving forward with that. So I'm going to paste in my blog post. And in my post, I cover 4 major categories when it comes to validating your ideas: research, surveys, creating a landing page, as well as I cover why friends and family might lie to you when you're telling them your idea for starting a business. I also provide many links to other resources and other guides that the visitor can use to further educate themselves on the topic. These other links also build your backlinking strategy, which will let search engines know that you're reaching out to other websites. Your tags are the keywords, or what will help the search engines to categorize your blog post and what your blog post is about. So let's add in some keywords right now. And I'll add them in. And then I'll go down to WordPress SEO by Yoast. So it gives you a preview of how to look in Google, as well as it starts listing your article. You can also set that description in the meta description. You can also set the SEO title. The SEO title is already fairly well set. Then you can also set the focus keyword. So the focus keyword will be business idea validation. And then we'll set our meta description. And then we will publish it. But before we do that, let's create a category, and let's call this validation. Add it, and then we'll publish it. And then we'll go to view post. And our blog post is nicely displayed, as well as our tags. So that is how you create a blog post, and I will go ahead and add in 3 more blog posts just to really fill the site with content. And I'd highly recommend that you do more than that, just so that when a visitor comes to your site, there's plenty of content for them to view and to look at and to become familiar with your brand.